Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to allow or block camera access in Google Chrome. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just want to join any other meeting, or if I want to continue any other things without using camera. For example, I just want to block my camera, or my camera is blocked, I just want to remove. What I have to do here? So in your Chrome browser, first and foremost, go to the three dots in your right hand side corner and just go to settings option. Once you go to settings option, there will be a privacy and security will be there. For example, you may have your camera, but in your camera you cannot able to see whether it is switched on or not. You can block or you can disable everything. What you have to do here, just go to privacy and security, just scroll down, you will get option called site settings. Once you click here site settings, there will be a permissions will be available. So here there will be a camera, so mic, the both of things will be there. Just hit the button in camera. So here site can ask your camera should work, or you can disable this one. So you can don't allow site use camera. If you given means automatically your camera will be disabled, so you can peacefully work. If you want to enable this option, you can enable this option. And each and every camera, every laptop will have the integrated camera option, or any other systems you have installed means your camera name will be there, so you can check whether that camera device is on in your laptop or desktop. So just check it out whether it is working properly, means your camera will work properly. If it is not, you just enable this option. If you want to disable means just hit the button. For example, I just want to show you Google Meet. I just go to Google Meet to give a sample. So my camera is switching on now. I just click here for the new meeting, start instant meeting. So you can see my camera is working properly in my laptop. So as you see here, yes, so now my camera is working, my camera is switched on over there. So I just want to disable this option. So I just want to enable or disable means it will lock my entire camera over there. So once you enable this option, your camera will be disabled, and you can enable means your camera will be enabled. So using this allow use your camera in Google devices will be there. Just delete this option. So I'm enabling this, and just delete this option. Automatically your camera is switched on, but it will ask you use your camera, allow or block. You can block or give the allow option. So if I allow means it will be allowing my camera, otherwise it will be disabled, so it won't ask your cameras everything. So this is a beautiful option. So use your security purpose, you can disable, or if you want meeting sense means you can enable this option using privacy and security from your Chrome. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.